Okay. Average weight of all the student of a class is 33.75. Acha. Now this question is a combined student, so we can solve it using two methods. One is formula method. Formula is combined mean is equal m1 n1 plus m2 n2 upon n1 plus n2. Right here, see here m is 33.75, m1 is 42 and n1 is 7 student का weight 42 kg है, and m2 is 32, n2 we have to calculate, right? n1 is 7 and n2 is our required value. So by placing these value we can get our answer. But the second method, alligation method, see we have two groups. One is x, let number of person in second group is x and their average 32, and the first group containing 7 member with average 42 and combined average is 30. देखो combined value यहाँ पे लिखते हैं, यहाँ पर numbers आएंगे, पहला ग्रुप उसका एवरेज, यहाँ पर दूसरा ग्रुप उसका एवरेज. नाउ यूजिंग एलिगेशन, सो x अपॉन 7, x के आगे देखो ये रो दिख रहा है आपको, इट इज 42 माइनस 33.75 अपॉन 7 के आगे देखो ये हो जाएगा 33.75 माइनस 32. एलिगेशन को मैंने, आप एलिगेशन को इस तरह से बहुत जल्दी करिएगा, इससे बहुत जल्दी वैल्यू आती है, आप डायरेक्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट भी कर सकते हैं. नाउ 42 माइनस 33 it is 8.25 and this is 1.75. Solving we get 33 by 7, so x would be 33. Now first group में 33 and second group containing 7, the total student in the class is 40. Answer is A option. Next question. Average salary of all the employees in a factory. Okay, this is what combined salary 3264, out of which the average salary of 14 supervisors is 6000. If the average salary of rest of the worker is 2200, then that total number. Okay, same question है. मान लेते हैं rest of the worker x है, उनकी salary 2200 and 14% की salary है 6000 and combined salary is 3264. Now using alligation x by 14, 6000 minus 3264 upon 3264 minus 2200. So this value would be 2736 upon 1064. Now solving we get 14 comes this side, x would be 2736 into 14 upon 1064. This is 7 and 6 and 76, this 36 times. So x की वैल्यू होगी 36. Total person would be 36 plus 14 or 50. Answer is D option. Next question. In a committee, the average wages of all the members is, okay, this is combined mean, combined average, and the chairman, the average weight of 18 member is 540 and the average wage of remaining. So मान लेते हैं remaining x है, इनका एवरेज है 3100 और 18 का एवरेज है 5450 और कंबाइंड एवरेज है 3628.75. ओके, नाउ x अपॉन 18 इज इक्वल 5450 माइनस 3628.75 अपॉन 3628.75 minus 3100. Okay, x upon 18 is equal, this value would be 1821.25 upon 528.75. Now take x 18 this side, it is 182125 into 18 upon 52875. Now this is divided by 9 and if we cancel this by 2, now cancel this by 9, it is 2 and it is 5875. Now cancel this 2 by 25 and this is completely divided by 62, 31. So x would be 62. Now x 62 or remaining 18, the total person would be 80. Answer is A option.